Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to give image credits in YouTube videos. Alright, let's begin. To properly credit images or other content on YouTube, you might have seen videos that suggest copying and pasting information, like artist names, into the description. While this seems like a quick fix, it doesn't actually work in many cases. If you copy and paste this information, you won't see the credits appear under the video as expected. The real solution is a bit more reliable. When a video receives a copyright claim, the description often provides the necessary copyright details. If you want to credit image or other content correctly, the best way is to link directly to the original video if available. This is a more authentic method of acknowledging the content creator. Simply open your YouTube Studio and access the video you would like to add image credits to. Here, in the description, add text like image credit and then paste the link. Now, you might be asked to verify your account using ID before you can add a clickable link. So make sure to get verified and you will be good to go. So that's basically how you can give image credits in YouTube videos. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.